Come on, Charlie, you're bad luck.
You bad luck.
I'm just thinking about apparently.
Oh god. Yeah, I think it counts. Oh god.
Right, this doesn't look right.
Have you got no face? Oh!
Oh my god.
No, I was only joking.
Oh. Oh!
This is sticking about.
Oh no. Don't!
This thing's heavier than me.
Oh! Oh!
That's that water there.
It's his diving board. Oh, because
Oh, okay, back on, back on.
Oh god, look at him.
I ain't gonna get past me, sunshine. That's just a slide if you go that way, No guaranteed safety with this.
No, because I can't actually see you from here.
For me?
Not you.
Charlie. Alright, I understand. Thank you for me asking.
Oh no, that song in my head. Kill me, shoot me.
What song?
Could be One Direction song. Kill me.
Kill me
But
now.
we haven't been singing One Direction, have we?
No, we haven't. It's just in his head.
Weird little boy.
This is how I feel every time I think of Charlie.
Oh,
I'm joking.
really?
No, of course he's not. Oh.
I bet you 9 times out.
Out my way, out my way!
Oh my god.
Oh, I can do it again.
Did you nearly slip?
No,
Oh.
could have though.
Do it again.
I
Show's
just
over.
freaked out a bit.
Show's over.
In his bare feet.
Full hard. Yeah.
No, going across this was the best. Never mind, thought it would be sharp. How does this work again?
You put your leg over
We've never done it from this view before.
You slide, I fall.
Prepare to slide!
Like that bitch.
Come on, Charlie, you're bad luck.
You bad luck.
What's that mean?
Don't get too confident.
I'm not.
He is.
You stuck the rings. How am I supposed to get back?
What are them two doing? So you hate it when there's two sets of people messing about. I can't film both.
Get off, it's my time to fall in first.
He's safe.
I'm just going to sit here and wait for them to come back. Oh, this is the music I'm going to die to.
How pleasant.
Oh,
Oh!
Too close.
your foot was like on the edge.
Was it?
Oh,
I'm on the edge.
don't sing that song.
It's a good.
Stop it.
It's a good song.
Sorry?
It's a good song though.
Yeah, but the verse was sings it's a shit.
Agreed.
What a shithead.
I don't have anything against Lady Gaga. I can smell that already. Like, I don't know how. The smell hit my nose. I was like, mmm. I was like, I smell black currant.
Going down there, what?
But you can't smell it. Ha!
It's pretty hard for me.
swim back.
Oh!
Yeah, right, swim back.
You thought he actually jumped, didn't you?
Could have lost his footing and then
He
got-
could.
Because I know what I did a dive for. I dived in that, I hit my head.
Exactly, you would have.
Whoa.
Thanks for telling us, Charlie. You don't want guaranteed safety, I say. Oh,
We're having this. Oh, God, it's getting darker. Oh no. Oh no.
Alex is a saboteur.
Poo sticks!
That's rude.
How are you swinging your legs?
No, that's
No,
the
I know.
game.
I know.
We need the poo.
I refuse to believe that he invented that game
I know. I used to play it all the time.
with the bridge.
And then watch it at the other end. Yeah.
Hooray.
No. Alex, are you going over?
What? Me and Charlie and Ben and
Oh, the island of gay boys.
It's just the crazy people that get across.
because I'm crazy.
You think I'm crazy? Oh,
Yeah, Julie, you can't stop.
Stop it. That was great.
that was actually very good YouTube.
Ow, my ass.
You know what that is.
I'm king.
Oh dear God!
A good monkey.
Not a good monkey.
Yeah, my mum. You know, cat was right there, and I fell in the water.
Hey Charlie, he slipped and said not a good monkey.
Are you filming me too? Are you taking pictures?
Take pictures.
Oh, sweet. You can check out my arse on movies. So I swear my arse looks huge when I'm filming this. I look back at these videos, my arse looks massive. This is not the best place to talk about it.
No, when you're hovering over water.
Oh
I
god.
have to do this bit, it looks so far away. I'm not as tall as it to reach.
I always jump.
You do, don't you? How you do that? You're going to
Michael, don't try that game.
Yeah.
jump it.
So he tries it.
You said don't.
It's true. Hey!
Just.
I'm proud of you, man. I'm proud of you.
But it's not over yet.
One more to go. I wish he knew his bag. He's got his, you know, your hoodie's in his bag. Falls in. Ah, he didn't
Take your bag off.
He didn't think of that.
Take me the bag.
Oh dear.
He's
He's
the
brave.
good monkey. Charlie, he's so. That's creaking.
It's that thing you're saying, no, get off it quick!
It's gonna snap,